everybody. Wanted to just make a quick video of how you order at my store. There's some folks having some problems. So I always have a link in the pinned comment at the top of every video that has the links to everything and my address if you'd like to send me a letter or a donation to Shane. So you just click on Jpaydirt, it comes up. Somebody says you have to log in. No, you don't. Just go to shop. Let's say you want a hat. So you click on the hat. Oh, looky there, added it to the cart. Now, some people have a real problem with PayPal. You don't have to use PayPal. You just say, add to the cart. Oh, looky there, I got 2 in the cart. So I'm going to view cart. So I've already been through this, so apparently I didn't empty the cart. Check out with PayPal. Just go ahead and click that and watch what it does here. So it takes you here. If you have a PayPal, you can go ahead and do that. Now, you want to pay with a credit card? You just click this. Pay with a credit card. And there you go. You can pick which one you want, put your card number in, blah, blah, blah. You can put your contact if you'd like, or your email. Anyway, bingo, you're done. So that's how you do it. Easy peasy, Japanesey. I'm going to go back here, and I am going to empty my cart. Cart is empty, so I'm going to go back home. Oh, and I'm going to look at these cool pictures Jeff's got up here. Look at that, the Filthy Whore and number 2. That'd look cool on a t-shirt, wouldn't it? Go, Jake loading the 336. You should just go to my store just to look at the pictures. Now, there's a cool picture right there. Adrian from Australia took that picture. Let's go back there and look at that for a minute. Adrian came and stayed with me for a few days. He took that. Good job, Adrian. Excellent picture. I took this one. That's a good one of the 9. Killdozer. Decal. Oh, there's a nice one. Look at that. I just can't stop looking at all these cool pictures. So if you want to contact me, oh, who's that guy? You can go ahead and do it there. Or you can just go back here and go to my channel and click on the About button. And lo and behold, view email address, jpaydirt7@gmail. And that works better than contacting me through the store. I see it in my box right away. Anyway, there you go.